Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for joining us today at the Judicial Symposium on Intellectual Property, Tokyo 2025, titled Evolving Approaches to IP Dispute Resolution, marking the 20th anniversary of the IP High Court. Today marks the first day of the symposium, featuring the plenary session and the Ministry of Justice part. Now, to formally open the symposium, I'd like to invite Justice Eriko Watanabe of the Supreme Court of Japan, representing the organizers, to deliver the opening remarks.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Judicial Symposium on Intellectual Property Tokyo 2025, for short, JSIP 2025. It is our pleasure to see you today. First of all, we would like to express our deep appreciation to all of you for joining us at JSIP 2025 on behalf of our 6 institutions that have organized JSIP. Also, we would like to extend our sincere thanks to all of our staff members working for this event. It would not have been held with your dedication and hard work. Let us to talk about JSIP a bit. JSIP has been held every year since 2017, and this event marks its 9th edition. JSIP has been organized by our 6 institutions, all of which have played key roles in resolving IP dispute in Japan. They are Supreme Court, IP High Court, Ministry of Justice, Patent Office, Japan Federation of Bar Associations, and IP Lawyers Network. The primary purpose of JSIP is to assist us first to broaden and deepen our understanding on the legal systems, laws and regulations, and practices in various jurisdictions. And second, to learn and exchange views on the latest issues and trends in IP field. As known to us, IP rights protection has significant impact, either good or bad, on many corporations in their business activities. Namely, increasingly borderless nature of business activities in recent years requires global scale of IP protection for decision-making on their business strategies. Moreover, many corporations now face the challenge of resolving the same or similar IP dispute over several jurisdictions, throughout jurisdictions, sometimes simultaneously or adjacently. Differences in IP protection in each jurisdiction may harm their seamless and prompt business activities. For this reason, in IP fields, as well as in other areas, international harmonization of rules is being more and more important. We recognize, therefore, international exchange, cooperation, development of mutual understanding have become essential foundation across the world. Japan has placed great importance on international exchange and cooperation. This commitment has been reflected in the Intellectual Property Strategic Program, 知的財産推進計画 in Japanese, which the government of Japan makes public in each year. The given program of this year expressly emphasized the following two issues. First, it is necessary to address IP dispute with cross-border issues, such as standard essential patents in information and communication technologies, which should have significant impact on global competition. And second, international conferences is important in order to build global cooperation and to share knowledge with Japanese legal professionals and private corporations. JSIP is exactly the kind of international conference that responds to such needs, and it plays a vital role in Japan's overall IP strategy. We, the Japanese judiciary, also recognize the importance to stay informed as to international development in IP dispute and to actively engage in international exchange and cooperation for such purpose. As reflected in JSIP 2025 subtitle, we mark the 20th anniversary of our IP High Court this year. Building on this milestone, Japanese court, in particular our IP High Court, has promoted continuous international exchange, such as dispatching judges to international conference and welcoming visitors from abroad. Moreover, our IP High Court has made various efforts in getting latest information through presiding certain study groups and workshops with both domestic and foreign experts. Furthermore, our IP High Court also makes various efforts to share information, for example, publishing English translation of IP judgment on our website. As such, JSIP plays a central role in these efforts, serving as key venue where the Japanese court can both learn from the world and contribute back to it. Let us briefly introduce the sessions in JSIP 2025. In JSIP 2025, to be held at the timing of this 20th anniversary of our IP High Court, based on the progress of both the legal system and dispute resolution in the IP field over the past 2 decades. Our sessions are designed and encourage thoughtful discussion on the laws which the Japanese court, Minister of Justice, the Patent Office have performed, while also addressing emerging challenges and our path for future development. Among all of the sessions, we would like to draw your attention particularly to today's session to be jointly hosted by our IP High Court and the Patent Office. This session begins with the keynote address, reflecting on the past 20 years of IP judiciary and administration, followed by a panel discussion with distinguished guests on international trends in IP fields and the roles of a specialized IP court. We hope that looking at both past and present development in IP fields here in Japan and around the world will provide you with a strong foundation for shaping the future. In addition, the court, the Ministry of Justice, and the Patent Office will each host their own sessions. These sessions will cover IP judiciary, IP administration, and IP dispute resolution from a variety of perspectives. You will see a wide range of contents thereof, including, but not limited to, international comparisons, and we believe such sessions will provide for everyone, including yourselves, valuable insights. It is our sincere hope that these sessions will provide all of you with a meaningful and rewarding experience through both the presentations and the lively discussions ahead. We also would like to encourage you taking every opportunity, either formal or informal, to connect and exchange your ideas, views with your fellow participants during these 2-day sessions. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Enjoy JSIP 2025. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Justice Eriko Watanabe of the Supreme Court of Japan.